Hello. Hello and welcome back to my studio. So glad you joined me today for another small video collaboration with Lena from Finland. Now, in case you are new here, I'm really glad you are here. Maybe take a look around and find some more videos to enjoy and to get inspired. Now, I did work again in Lena's journal, which we did exchange, and I did start just with distress ink this time. I didn't feel like taking out acrylic paint, and the other thing is I have to use that distress and distress oxide. I did use both. I have to use them too. I mean, what is the point if you have them and don't use them? Anyway, I did make a background with those distress ink, and I did have this, it was a paper stencil I had. No idea where I have it from, and I'm even not sure if it is a stencil. Maybe it was just a decorative paper. I have no idea. I did use it as a stencil. That's what I have used. Then I do have a lot of old vintage kitschy postcards and I did turn it into a collage paper for myself, and yeah, it must be well, it was printed in French, but the language, I think it's like Dutch. Not sure, but it's not French. I know French, but that's not. Gelukkig Nieuwjaar. It sounds more like Happy New Year, something like that. And yeah. So I did use that for my focal image. And then they did add little pieces like this piece that was actually, you know, how we are. If we do exchange things, even if we say like, let's exchange ATC, there is always more stuff in it. That's the same with Lena and myself. We do send us those journals, but there is always a little bit more extra goodies. And that is one of those extra goodies that she did send me. And also the paper underneath, which you probably no longer can see. The butterfly is from a magazine. I just did cut it out, and then that are actually quotes that you can find over on Coffee. I will have the link here somewhere in the blue bar, and obviously also in the description box down below. I do have 2 pages, PDF pages with quotes and words in English at the moment. I'm working on the German version for those who want it in German. Yeah, you can download it there and help me out a little bit doing more videos for you. Well, what else can I tell you about? Well, it is a time lapse again, and I think it's pretty clear. If I have the feeling that I have to explain something more during the time lapse, I'm probably going to put it in the captions. Probably I'm going to put the colors, the distress colors I have used in the caption. Now, as always, if there are any questions, just leave them down below in the comments. And talking about comments, I love friendly comments and I love thumbs up, and I appreciate any subscribers. So take care. Till next time. Bye.